you got the real fever.
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. $80 hit, guys.
Yeah, it's only bet two.
You only bet 2 on that one. $80. It would have been 120 if you had 3.
Tell me about it.
That's a good one though. There, get you back up there.
I expected.
Wow, this is not doing anything over here.
I was playing it.
There you go.
I liked you.
$15 back. You never know. Let's get it.
I've been playing it.
Come on now. Alright, that's it for me. See if my honey can get something else.
Probably stupid. We're still playing it.
One more?
Yeah, I'm stupid. Okay.
Alright. You want to take off or
I'm taking off.
you want to take off?
For the hills.
Running for the hills?
Yeah.
We'll try a little bit more.
Okay, good luck.
Alright, good luck, huh? Alright guys, we're going to try something else. Alright, let's see if we can get organized here. Try 10 cents. Let's see if we can get something, guys. Oh, didn't get red. Alright, $15 hit. Come on now. There we go, guys. Here we go. Private stripes. Letter Y. Double X. Valentine. Double X. X. Little Dipper. Double X. This is a good one, guys. Big diamond, wow. Yay, yay, yay. $134, guys. Awesome. Let's do a few more. Alright, we're having a good one going on here tonight, guys. Let's see. So let's try a $5 bet and see if we can hit something. It'd be nice to get that compass bonus, huh? There we go. Guys. Private stripes. All right, $22.75. Lady Di, welcome in. Thank you. right, another 11.25. Thank you, Lady Di. Come on, let's get it. Ah, this might be a good one, guys. All right, $40 hit. All right. Oh, didn't get red. We really appreciate everybody being here tonight. Really appreciate it, guys. Alright, 2 more spins, guys. 2 more spins. Alright, we're going to cash that out.